is Joy, coming to you live in Riley's mind. Make some noise! Sadness is in the house! It's anger!
Let me at him! We gotta get our mouth guard, people!
Fear!
No, that's not Alice!
Disgust. Glad to have her on our team. Our little girl's growing up so fast.
Ow!
Sorry.
It should be nothing but smooth sailing.
Hello! I'm Anxiety. Where can I put my stuff?
A new emotion.
Oh, I'm sorry. We wanted to make such a good first impression.
What do you mean, we?
I'm Envy. Look at your hair.
Oh, yeah, not happening.
That's on we.
On what?
It's what you would call the boredom.
What's your name, big fella?
That's embarrassment.
Welcome to headquarters, embarrassment. Oh, we're doing a fit. No. Oh, nope. Going high. Oh, you got a real sweaty palm there, buddy.
Makatulog na. Sana ka lang, sana. Yay! Kasabihan! Ay, pakilala mo na.
I'm Emmy and
Oo.
tao pa man, pagod pa rin.
Go!
Okay.
Woo!
I'll bet here. May kasabihan tayo na nasa Diyos ang awa at tao.
Wala
day of work. Ano to?